Now we are going to look at an example where we get to work on our distributive property. So again, first step is to draw your wall, which is our line right here. That way we know anything we do on the left side of the equation, we must do it also on the right side of the equation to keep everything balanced. Now we're going to work on our distributive property. And we're going to take our -5 and distribute it into every single term inside the parentheses. Remember, it must be multiplied by every single term. Don't leave any terms out. So when we multiply the first one, -5 times y gives us -5y. And then we have -5 times -3. Negative times a negative gives us a positive, and that will be a positive 15. We have not done anything to the right side. All we did was distribute on the left side. Now our next step says to combine any like terms. So we are going to look at what we have here after we distribute. We have -5y and we have 15. This is a term with a variable. This is constant. They are not like terms, so I cannot combine them any further. So that step is taken care of. Now we're going to use our inverse operations. So we are solving for our y. So we need to get rid of this 15 first of all. So since that's addition, we're going to subtract 15 to get rid of it from the left side. However, whatever we do to the left side, we must keep it balanced and do the exact same thing on the other side of the wall. So now that leaves us with our -5y on the left. 15 minus 15 is 0, so we don't have to write the plus 0. And then on the right side we have 25 minus 15, which is 10. Now we can get rid of this -5 that's attached to our y. Our operation right now is multiplication. That's -5 times y. Opposite of multiplication is division, so I'm going to divide by -5. Make sure you divide by that whole coefficient in front of your y. And that means I have to also divide the right side of my y by -5 as well, keeping it balanced. So now we have -5 divided by -5. Negative divided by negative gives us a positive. So that's going to give us a positive 1y, which is why we have to make sure that we use the same sign when we divide. And that's going to equal, on the right side, we have a positive 10 divided by a -5. Since our signs are different, this is going to be a negative answer. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we have that y is equal to 2. And now, of course, we want to check our answer. So when we check our answer, we're going to take what we came up with for our y value, and we're going to plug it into the original equation. So I'm going to take -5, parentheses, y minus 3 is equal to 25. And I'm going to substitute in -2 for my y value. So that gives us -5 times, change the y to a -2. And then we still have -3 equals 25. The order of operations, since I just have numbers inside my parentheses, I can go ahead and combine that first. So -2 minus 3, is going to be -5. Get ahead of myself. And then -5 times -5, since it's negative times a negative, that's going to give us a positive answer. 5 times 5 is 25, so we get 25 is equal to 25, which is a true statement, so we know that yes, this is the correct answer. Y is equal